Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and your crack addict's favorite patient, Anthony. Anthony's down here for a tune-up. It's been, what, 3-4 weeks since we've seen you? Yeah. He's been out deep-sea fishing, catching a bunch of fish. So we're going to see his spine today, and I'm going to do the knee chest on him and decompress him, and y'all are going to love it. Let's have you flex forward and backwards for me there, Anthony. Yeah, that tinked up a little bit, didn't it? So he had a little bit of a kink in his neck when he went forward and backwards, and his head's forward and to the left of center. His pelvis has shifted a little bit to the right of center. He's pulling in too many big fish. Okay, so Anthony hasn't had this knee chest table done yet, so we're going to do this one first, Anthony. And what you do on this one is you just put your knees right here, about shoulder width apart, and put your face up in here. And your chest on here. Now I want you just to kind of let your spine sink down in there with gravity, just like that. And I want you to relax here. I'm going to adjust this lower thoracic. Right there. Oh. Yes, sir. That was deep, wasn't it?
That was good.
Okay, let's come over here on this table now. Oh. So that'll straighten your act right up right there.
That made it better.
Already?
Yeah.
Yep. That's my favorite adjustment now.
You got new bars too?
Yeah, we got all kinds of new stuff since you were here last. See what you missed when you're out gone there? Renee and I even been on vacation since we saw you.
Oh yeah, I heard.
We went deep-sea fishing too.
How'd y'all do it?
Oh, we only caught 16, but that's not bad.
As long as they're catching something.
That's right. I pulled one in on my very first line out.
Okay.
Yep. Alrighty, there we go. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Now there is absolutely no doubt that Anthony felt those all the way down.
Up my neck, all the way down the spine.
Yeah. Okay, I got you. Perfect. Yes, sir.
That's good.
Yep. Yeah, a lot of people don't realize Houston's right here on the Gulf of Mexico.
Doesn't take too long to get out to deep water.
Nope. And it gets pretty out there too, doesn't it? You go 30 to 50 miles out, it's blue.
Yeah, it's blue water.
Yep.
You'll see the water actually change.
Change colors, that's right. I used to go spearfishing under the oil rigs 40, 50 miles out all the time.
I'm not brave enough to swim with them yet.
Yeah, that's their turf. Boy, that was a zipper. Joseph never gets my zipper. Right leg is short by about 1/2 inch still. That tightens up a little bit still, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can get your low back here first. There. You're a little bit over to the right, so I'm going to move you back over to the left. That's called mirror image adjusting, by the way. There, boy, that was a good one. There's L5. There's L4. L3. Now, I've already got this lower thoracic, so I'm going to come up a little higher. Get your mid, upper. Okay, I still got one right there. There's still one in here. There it is. All right. Legs are even now. This should feel a little easier, Anthony.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you're going to feel your head popping up next. Yes, sir? Okay, let's turn you on your back now.
Oh, wow.
Yep. And when you stand up after this, you should feel really like you're standing up a lot taller and straighter. That Gonstead knee chest table there adjusts that thoracolumbar spine like no other type of table can. Let's slide down this way a little bit. That's the first time you ever felt that like that, isn't it?
Yeah. That's the part that actually bothered me in my back earlier too.
Yep. That's the area of my spine that was most injured and caused me problems for a long, long period of time until I got adjusted on that table. started that way back at the Palmer College of Chiropractic in 1978. There you go. That's a long time. Tells you how old I am. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Let's sit you up, face this way. You're even sitting up straighter. It's easier to sit up straight.
Yeah. Earlier it hurt to sit up straight.
Yep.
It feels like someone's sitting on your shoulders.
There. Anthony owns a Crawfish restaurant here in North Houston. Go ahead and tell them about it, Anthony.
We got a location off of 1960 and 45 called Hank's Crawfish. And we serve everything from fried food to soups to seafood, snow crabs, oysters, crawfish, blue crabs. Anything Cajun style pretty much.
There you go. It's good eating, so try it out. It's what again?
Hank's Crawfish?
Hank's Crawfish. There you go, in Houston, Texas. Let's have you look in the mirror here now. Okay, let's have you flex your head forward and then backwards for me. Yep. There. Now, try that again.
Oh yeah.
Move around now and tell me if this hurts at all.
No. Earlier, I was stuck right here. I'll be in pain, but I actually got full motion now. I'm a little bit sore still, but
Right.
I feel like 80%.
Did that help it?
Yeah. That knee chest thing, whatever you want to call
Yes,
it.
sir.
Yeah,
That's right.
Yeah,
Well,
right,
thank you
money
for
shot.
sharing your story again with everyone, Anthony. It's good to see you again.
All right, thank you, doctor.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief. Make sure you check out Hank's Crawfish up in North Houston off 1960 and I-45. We'll see y'all soon.